Standing seam roof, screw down roof. I feel like one good example when you might want to consider a standing seam roof over the screw down roof is if your building is 120, 130 feet wide clear span or greater. So because these buildings are steel, they naturally contract and expand. So what happens over time is if you have a screw down roof, the holes where the fasteners go through might do the same. So you see it more in high wind areas. So it's not, I'm not raising an alarm here that like a screw down roof won't work and it won't be effective and perform well. But it's just something to consider, something that as a builder, we would definitely bring up to our client, just knowing that over time, they might have an issue. So build right.